Hello everyone, myself Harshith from Srinivas Institute of Technology. I am here to represent my new innovation, that is Advanced Facial Recognition Automated Attendance System. It is a new type of innovation that takes attendance in a class of all persons simultaneously with the help of advanced technology. This innovation is very useful in educational institution, office and etc. So this will reduce the work of teachers, and within a minute it will take attendance of all students in a class and stores all the attendance records. This is the prototype of advanced facial recognition automated attendance system. Firstly, it takes camera captures the face image of every individual, calculating the facial visual point, seeing whether the facial features are matching or not. Attendance server marks attendance. If not matches, alerts administrator. Once attendance is marked, the process will be restarted for confirmation. And the advantages of new innovation of mine: attendance will be instantly recorded, time saver, and enhance the security. Process will be faster than the traditional method.